How's everybody doing? Here's another video of the Main Road to Travel unboxing. So sorry we haven't been consistent, and I know we're way overdue for our videos, and life happens, especially when you have a little one, and yeah.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning on Christmas Day that we're
3:16 on Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas
It's
to
Merry
all.
Christmas.
And to all, a good night, perhaps. I don't know.
Probably should have said that like at the end.
Yeah. Well,
that would be a way to sign off.
Yeah. Anyway.
Isn't 3:16 and
Steve Austin? Yeah. Stone Cold Steve Austin.
So it's kind of funny. We're doing at 3:16. So he's gonna stab me with the scissors now. Because you just grabbed them in your hand and the way you have them.
Oh my goodness.
Anyway.
It's very late.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too.
Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna try to be more consistent going into the new year with the videos, and I'm pretty sure you're like, oh, we heard this before, but no, we
have plans now.
We have goals, we have plans, and we're gonna make things happen. So
make the magic happen.
Yes. All right, so anyway, let's open up the box, see what's inside.
Guess I shouldn't be too loud. We should.
Yeah, don't wake up.
He's sleeping. Oh, I don't know if you can see that.
No. Oh,
there he goes. Yep. Sound asleep. Like any good baby at 3 o'clock in the morning should be.
Okay, there we go. Alrighty. Alright, I'll look at that later. This is Steam Wolf. I think this is Kevin Steen. Let me well, actually no, I'll look at that later.
Kevin Steen.
Okay, so Kevin Steen, for those of you who don't know who he is, he's Kevin Owens. So yeah, Kevin Steen is Kevin Owens. So when he went to WWE, he just had to change his name, and yeah, he went with Kevin Owens because apparently his son's name is Owen, and he wanted to involve his son's name in with his name or wrestling name. I don't know. It's late. Okay, then we got. Ooh, this is nifty. So, it was always 3 pieces of Foley, but apparently now this is 4 pieces of Foley. It's pretty cool. You got Dude Love, Cactus Jack, Mankind, and I guess Foley Claus. I'm not really sure how this works, but that's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I thought he was a chef. I didn't realize it was a Santa hat at first. But I only got to glance at it.
Oh, that's cool. So, for the Micro Brawler, it's Glacier.
Christmas tree's kind of reflecting off of the
there we go. So, Glacier was a wrestler in WCW. And his gimmick was supposed to be of Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. And I think they were supposed to give the gimmick to somebody else. I can't remember who the other wrestler was, but They went with this guy.
Kind of looks like he's wearing like a face mask.
Well, it's funny because in one of the boxes they actually had the Glacier face mask, which was pretty cool. But this is the first time they ever made a figure of Glacier, which is pretty cool. Kind of curious to see what the Chase one looks like, but this is neat. Yeah, so WCW wrestler or former WCW wrestler Glacier. Ooh. Oh, this is so cool. Mad Balls, Lucha Brothers. So that's Ray Phoenix and Pentagon Jr.
But they're just called Brawler Balls. They're not called Monster Balls.
Mad Balls.
Mad Balls, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, well, Brawler Balls.
It's really cool.
Yeah. But it's a spin-off of Mad Balls, which it's pretty cool. So for those of you who don't know what Mad Balls are, it's basically the same concept, but it's one face. Instead had two faces, and it's more like monster-like, kind of. Well, this is all pretty much the same, monster-like and all, but this is really cool, and I like that they're doing this. In the first double one that they did, double-sided, was the Road Warriors, which was pretty cool. And then the Piper, Rowdy Piper.
Oh yeah, before. That's right.
We got, oh, that's cool. Awesome Kong pin. And then when she was in WWE, she was Karma. And then I think WWE let her go when she went on maternity leave, and that was pretty much it. Then I think she went back to Impact. But I don't know if she's still wrestling or not. I know she was doing some stuff with Glow. Pretty sure it was Glow. But
this is a TV show.
Yeah. But I don't know if she's still wrestling professionally or if she retired. Yeah. But if anybody knows, comment. Like I said, it's after 3 in the morning.
We're tired.
Yeah, we're tired, so I don't.
Gone.
Yeah.
But you're yawning like crazy.
It's when it gets really late, you don't have much sleep. You have a tendency not to think really good.
I don't think they need the explanation of that.
Another comic. Let's see who the autograph is. Feels like there's more than one in here.
There's 2.
Okay. Interesting. So, got EC3. And I think this is Brian Pillman Jr.
He's crying in his sleep.
But yeah, I really, so out of this, I really like the Glacier Michael Brawler, and I like the
Brawler Ball.
Yeah, Brawler Ball of the Lucha Brothers. And if you have not seen the Lucha Brothers, check them out. Those guys are really awesome. The stuff that they do is just crazy.
Were we talking to one of them at the last?
No. That was
Kalisto.
Yes, Kalisto, but he changed his name now. He's called something else. But he's also in AEW. But he only wrestled one televised match.
Gotcha.
At least I hope he still has a contract with them. I don't really know
But
what's
did
going
he
on.
say that he was taking a break for a little bit?
Yes, he said he was taking a break, and he said that he was just going to rest, but he was going to get back into wrestling soon. He said he needed to get back in shape. But the guy looks like he hasn't missed a beat. Like he looks like he's still going to the gym and doing whatever it is he's doing. And then when he was in the ring, looked like he never stopped. He was really good, really entertaining. But yeah, hopefully we'll see him more often. I always liked Kalisto. I thought he was a good wrestler.
He was a really nice guy.
Yeah. But yeah, so I feel like there's other stuff I want to say, but it's so late and I can't remember stuff now. And
we have Celeb Fest 3 coming up in February.
Yes.
And then the Maryland Toy. Is it Toy Show or Toy Expo?
It's Toy Expo.
Okay, and then we have the Maryland Toy Expo next summer.
In June.
Yeah. So stay tuned for that.
And then,
stay asleep.
Anything else? ZoloCon's coming up, which we'll be attending. We won't be setting up, but we will be there.
Yeah. We always go.
Yes.
It's a whole weekend long. We'll have videos and go live and probably interview with Mike beforehand.
Mike Zolo himself.
The creator.
And then there's also other people we can interview as well.
Yeah, well, that's why we're there. I'm talking about before.
Oh, gotcha, yeah.
Like I did the last time.
Okay.
This year.
Right.
Except for without Jensen this time. He definitely he enjoyed his first interview. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back on our YouTube page. There's an interview with Mike Zolo, and you'll see our son was trying to take over, and he was not happy at the end.
Yeah.
I think he was only like 4 or 5 months old at the time.
That sounds about right.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. So okay, so the Awesome Kong pin, there was a chase of 100. Yeah, so there's 100 different or 100 of the chase pins out there, and then 250 of the Glacier, which I'm gonna look those up later after I get sleep. See what those are.
I thought you were like, oh, I'm staying up all night.
Well, technically we have.
We have it all night.
So anyway, next month features Adam Cole, Ric Flair, Bret Hart, Matt Cardona, Johnny Gargano, Tony Nese, IRS, plus a special item from Pro Wrestling
Gorilla
PWG. Awesome. Actually, I'm really curious to see what this is going to have.
It's going to have those.
No, I get that. But I mean, like, who's going to be the pin? Who's going to be the micro brawler?
Who's going to get pinned?
Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, that's going to do it for this episode, or this video of,
episode video, same thing.
Whatever. Love you.
Love you. Can't see me.
Yeah,
can't see you.
Yeah, because you're John Cena. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. As always, thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it.
Hopefully we made some sense.
Huh? I'm tired. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting us. As long as you guys keep watching, we're going to keep making videos.
And we keep posting them because they can't watch it if we don't post them.
Very true. But we're
trying
to be more consistent.
Yeah.
So when this one gets posted, it will probably be the one from last month along with it too. So it's
the month before that, because I still have that on my phone.
Oh, so we're 3 videos behind.
Well, technically 2, because this one wouldn't be behind.
Okay. So, I'm sorry.
It's been a busy kind of couple months. I mean, so October we had his mom's birthday. Then we had our son got baptized. My family came from California, so I had to spend some time with them. Then it was my birthday. And then in November we had the toy show. Yeah, we had a toy show.
We had Slubfest, and then 2 weeks after that was the toy show.
Yeah. So the Slubfest was in October, and then November was the toy show. And then Thanksgiving. Plus I was working a bunch of hours at my full-time job. Then December was craziness because it's Christmas time, so we're trying to get gifts, and I create stuff, so trying to get my orders done. And yeah, I literally just got done some orders before we did this video, and it's Christmas morning at 3 a.m.
Well, actually, it's
3:31. Yeah,
3:31. Anyway, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, or Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas.
Yeah, well, okay. Happy Holidays to everyone, and
Happy New Year's.
Yes, and we'll see you again for another video of the main roads we travel. Who knows what that video is going to be about? It may be unboxing, it may be just, some random find at a flea market, or just whatever.
If we get enough people saying that they want to see what personal collection toys down in the basement.
Yeah, I could do personal collection.
Let us know what you want to see in the comments.
I know somebody commented before they want to see the custom figures, and I just kind of forgot about that. So to that person, I'm sorry. We will do a video of my custom figures. It'll be probably my custom Hasbros that I've been making. So, because with that I have more variety than with the LJNs. The LJNs I only have a couple, but the Hasbros, it's more like I got a whole line of those, like series kind of amount. So anyway, yeah, so those are videos that we're gonna do eventually. Alright, that's anything else? Okay, that's definitely gonna do it this time. Happy holidays and good night.
Good morning.